Hi everyone. I wanted to share with you a frustration that I had creating my Facebook business page. Don't know whether or not any of you have come across this issue, but when you create your Facebook business page, it generally creates a URL that has got facebook.com/ your business name dash 1234567 whatever, which is the Facebook ID. And I struggled to find how to change that to something that is more memorable or something that is more usable, should I say. But I did do some searching on YouTube. I found something, but it was quite an old version of Facebook. So this is the new look of Facebook, and I'm going to show you how to change your URL. It's not as intuitive as you think, but it is doable. It's very easy to do. Just follow these steps. So the first step is on your home page, your page, you'll see these tabs here. You need to go. So if you go into home here, you'll probably see that. You'll need to go across to more, go into about, click on that. Now you have to change the username. So the videos that I looked at said that the username is actually in here and you edit it, but it's actually not. So you can see the page ID down here, which is what it will put on your Facebook URL. But what you need to do is go up here and go into edit page info. So if you click on that, and you'll see the username here. And basically, what you need to do is just add in your username. So for example, if your business is coming out as Acme Plumbers Limited dash 1257392, just put in Acme Plumbers in there, and it will change the URL to facebook.com/Acme Plumbers or whatever. So that's really all you have to do. Once you put that in, it will check if if the username is taken or not. Hopefully it's not. And you'll get a little green tick, and it will save it automatically. Come out of that, and then all you need to do then is put in your. I'll just take this out and put in mine, and then press that. And as you can see, it's come up with a page and it's put in the correct URL now. So it's put the URL for my username now. So I hope you found that interesting. I hope you found that useful. If I come across anything else, I'll post it on my YouTube site. But if you can give me a thumbs up, that'd be great. And thanks for watching.